Hello my lovely K-pop addicts, I'm back with another unboxing video, and this one is Secrets, Seong's first solo album, Top Secret. Oh, she's so gorgeous in black. Kissing. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Oh, I love that dress. Here's the CD. Come on, get back. Fold up. Sorry. There. Now we're going cute. Cute. Oh, pretty. Is that end? The photo card I got was this, and I opened it. This is what popped out of it. Ooh, she's so cute. Now I got a poster with this one, and it's gorgeous. I'm so envious of these Asian girls. They're so gorgeous. More gorgeous than I am. Or more prettier than. I'm more envious of the. I feel more envious and jealous of the guys who look so much prettier than me. So that's the end of this unboxing video. I hope you liked it. Until next time, bye.